Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Malibu front bumper. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and a plastic clip removal tool for various fasteners. Also, have a 7mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a Torx 15-bit ready. A ratchet with an extension will be very helpful for reaching bolts. Finally, prepare a soft blanket to protect the bumper cover after removal. Now, let's begin by opening the hood of your Malibu. You'll see a plastic shield panel at the top of the bumper. Carefully remove all the push clips and Torx 15 screws from this panel. Next, unfasten any 10mm bolts that secure the bumper cover along the top edge. Then, move to each wheel well. Here, you'll find various fasteners, including 7mm and 10mm bolts, that need to be removed to free the bumper sides. With the top and wheel well fasteners addressed, it's time to work underneath the vehicle. Carefully remove all the 7mm bolts securing the bumper cover from below. Also, unfasten any plastic retainers or clips you find along the bottom edge. If your Malibu has fog lights, you'll need to disconnect them. Slide the small red tab upwards, then press and hold the middle tab to release the connector from its harness on both sides. You're almost there. Now, gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender on both sides of your Malibu. Take your time and work slowly to prevent scratching the paint or breaking any remaining clips. With all fasteners and electrical connections released, carefully pull the entire front bumper cover straight off the vehicle. Finally, place the removed bumper cover onto your prepared soft blanket to keep it safe from any damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.